Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video we will see how to set up the complete Python environment in Windows. So let's get started. First of all we need to download Python. For that just open your browser and there just type Python install. Just click the first link and it will take you to the official website of python.org. And here just download Python for your operating system. I have Windows, so I will just click on the download button and it will download the latest version of Python. So after the download has finished, just go to the download location and just double click on the .exe file and it will start the installation procedure for Python. So make sure to check this button which says add Python to path. This is very important step. If you don't do it, then Python might not work for you and you need to add Python to path manually. So make sure to check this button. After this you can just click on install now. So once Python is installed, after that you need a code editor or IDE to write your Python code. And you have many options. You can go with PyCharm, which is a very excellent IDE for Python, but I recommend VS Code by Microsoft because it is very beginners friendly and easy to use. So to download VS Code, just open your browser once again and this time search VS Code install. Click the first link and there just download VS Code for Windows. And once the download has finished, just go to the download location and double click on the .exe file and install it. So first of all it will ask you to accept the agreement. So once accepted, just click on next and there make sure to check mark all the options because after you select all the options it will really make you code faster and help you save a lot of time. After that just click on next and then install. So this will install VS Code to your system. Now once VS Code is installed, you can click on finish and it should launch VS Code. So this is how it looks. Next I will create a new file and code a simple hello world program inside that, and then I'll save it on my desktop with .py as an extension because it is a Python file. Now we need to run this code, so for that just open a new terminal. You can do it by clicking on the terminal from menu bar or you can use a shortcut which is Ctrl plus backticks on Windows. It will open the terminal and there first of all you need to cd into desktop and then you need to run this command which is Python. After that just write the name of your file. I have test and you need to mention the extension as well. So once you write the command as python test.py, just hit enter and there you go, it has executed our program by displaying hello world in the console. Now the only problem is that every time we want to run our code, we don't want to write this much of commands. So to solve this issue we can use VS Code extensions that will do all this for us automatically. So the best extensions for Python are Python itself, which will help you with automatic suggestions and code snippets, and Code Runner is another one that will help you to run your code in just one click. So you would be able to run Python code by clicking on this button that will be displayed in your VS Code after you install this extension. So I will just click on this run button and there you go, it has opened my terminal and executed my code as well. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you find this video helpful. For more videos related to programming, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon next to it. Also if you want to support me, you can do it on Patreon with as little amount as $2. At last, thanks a lot for watching and I will see you in the next time.